Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something that's going to make your shopping experiences in 2025 a whole lot easier and more secure. How to use a Revi virtual credit card in physical stores. If you're someone who's all about going digital while still hitting the real-world checkout line, this guide is perfect for you. Let's get started. First off, what's a Revi virtual credit card? It's a smart, app-based card that lets you make payments without carrying physical plastic. It's loaded with features like instant fund transfers, customizable spending limits, and top-notch security for 2025. To begin, you'll need to download the Revi app from your phone's app store. Make sure it's the latest version to access all the new in-store capabilities. Once the app is installed, open it and create or log into your account. This is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to verify your identity. Next, generate your virtual card. You can personalize it with things like expiration dates or transaction caps to keep things safe. Now, for the fun part, using it in a store. When you're at the checkout, open the Revi app and select your virtual card from the dashboard. Look for the In-Store Payment option. This will generate a unique QR code or enable NFC, near-field communication, on your phone. If the store supports it, simply show the QR code to the cashier, or tap your phone on the payment terminal just like you would with a contactless card. After that, you'll get a quick confirmation prompt in the app. Approve the transaction, and voila, your payment is processed securely. One thing to remember: always keep your app updated and enable two-factor authentication for extra protection. There you have it. Using a Revi virtual credit card in stores is simple, fast, and eco-friendly. Give it a try on your next shopping trip and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.